Hello children, how are you all? I hope you people are doing well. So children, I'm back with another presentation of English, and today the topic which I'm going to discuss with you people is question words. Now press enter to read the definition. WH words are known as question words. Kids, there are many ways to ask questions. But right now we are going to discuss the question word that starts with WH words like why, what, when, and where. So let's discuss it in detail. Kids, you need to understand that every question requires a response, and every question word means something different. So first of all, we have why over here. We use question word why when we want to ask a reason or want any explanation. Like when you come late in school, teacher asks you why are you late? Just because she wants to know the reason. And sometimes when your homework or your classwork is not up to the mark or it's untidy, so teacher asks you that why your work is not neat or why you haven't completed your work. Just because she wants an explanation or she wants a reason behind it. Understood? Now we have what. We use question word what when we want to ask about any specific person, thing or object. Let me give you a very simple example. When teacher wants to ask your name, she asks what is your name, and in this sentence she is particularly asking about you. And in return she wants a response. And in response you tell your name, like my name is Ahmad or Ali or whatsoever. Let me give you one more example that when somebody asks what is the matter. So in this sentence they are specifically asking about the problem from you. And in response you tell the matter that is going on. Understood? And children, when somebody wants to know the time, they say like, what time is it? So you tell the current time from the clock or the watch you're wearing. So children, I hope now you understood how we can use the word what in our questions. The third thing we have is where. Whenever there is a question word starting with the word where, it means in this question somebody is asking about some place or some position. Difficult? Let me tell you in an easy way. When you people sit in the class with your friends, so you people definitely talk about many things. So in those chit chats, you definitely ask questions like where do you live, right? In this sentence, your friend is asking about a place where you live. That is why he is using the word where. Just like that, when you miss or lose something and try to find it, you say, where is my book? Where is my box? Or where are my socks? So in this sentence, you're asking about the position of your thing. That is why you're using the question word where. Understood? Now moving on to when. When is used when somebody wants to ask about time or occasion or any moment. It is very easy to understand. Like if somebody has to ask about your birthday, they ask when is your birthday, right? And if someone has to ask about an upcoming occasion, they ask when is your sister's wedding, right? And when the match will start. Understood, kids? So this is how we use WH words to ask different types of questions. Let's move on to the next slide. Children, now you already know that we use question word what to ask further information. For example, as you can see on your slide, the first question is what color is your dress? So in this sentence, children, information about your dress is required. So the response and the answer is purple. And the next question is about your mom, that what is she doing? So the answer is she's cooking. And the third one is asking about a party. And the answer is it's fun. And the fourth question that has been asked is about what will happen when your team loses the match, and the answer is we'll be out of the game. So children, this is how you can use the word what in your questions. Understand? Children, we use question word where when we want to ask for a place or position. Now on this slide, all the examples that has been given to you is asking about a particular place or position. The first one is asking about a place you live in. The second one is about the place you're going to. The third question is asking about where the coffee shop is. And the fourth one is about the position or the place you left the jacket. So children, this is how you can use question words question word where in your questions. One more important thing, children, that you need to know, that whenever we write any question, we put question mark in the end. As you can see, at the end of all these questions, there is a question mark in the end. Now let's move on to the next slide. Children, now let's discuss how we can use question word when. Children, when is used to ask for any specific time or date. For example, the first question is asking about the timing of train arrival. The second question is when does she get up, and the answer is she gets up at 6 a.m. The third question is about when the party ended, and the fourth question is asking about the day you visit James. So children, this is how you can use the question word when in your questions. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now we have why. We use why to ask for reason or purpose, as we have already discussed, children. As you can see over here on the slide, all the question that has been asked is to know the reason or purpose. Let me read the questions one by one. The question number 1 is why were you absent yesterday? Question number 2 is why did you leave so early? Number 3 is why can't I go to the park now? And number 4 is why are you so late? And in the answers, the reasons or the purpose has been explained. Now let's move on to the next slide, children, and see what we have in it. Here are some more ways you can make questions from WH words. Children, I'm sure you all must have understood the concept well, and you'll be able to make questions on your own out of these question words. You can make several questions through these words. For example, you can make questions like what is your favorite game, what is your favorite place, or what is your favorite cartoon character. And from when, you can make questions like when do you wake up, when do you go to school, when do you sleep. And from where, you can make questions like where are you going, where's my bag, where's my red t-shirt. And lastly, from why, you can make questions like why are you angry, why are you late, why are you upset, and many more. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now children, this is something very interesting. This is WH question speaking card. Now do you know what is a speaking card? Let me tell you. Let's imagine it is a game. How about you all take a small piece of paper and copy down these questions. You can involve your all family members into it. For example, your mother copy down the card that is having questions related to seasons, and your father take the card of hobby, and you can take the card of animals, and your sister, your brother, or your grandma can take the card of holiday. How about you all ask each other the questions related to different WS words? For example, if your mama is having the card of season, she's gonna ask any one of you the question related to season, like which season do you like the most, why do you like it, what do you do in this season, and where do you spend it? And you have to give answers of the questions. Simultaneously, when your turn will come, you're gonna ask the question that you're having in your card to any one of them. Children, this is very interesting game to play with your family to get a good grip on this concept. Once you start playing through these cards, you have an idea how to make questions. Children, there is another activity I have planned for you. Press enter to see that. So now children, I have a very interesting home activity for you. I'm sure you all will love it. Children, let me tell you what you have to do in this activity. As you can see in this picture that there are some question words written. Let me read it for you. The first one is who, second is what doing, third is where, and the fourth one is when. All you children have to do is to make two simple questions from each question word. Right? You can take help from your parents, you can take help from your elder siblings. Children, you will be surprised to see that how easily you will be able to do this activity at home, and how interesting questions you can make out of these question words. I'm sure you people will love it and you will do it. Children, I'll be back with another presentation very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.